Okay, number 10, we got some baseball players, different times, different means, different standard deviations, and we're supposed to compare them to see who had the better batting average. So we got Frankie Fleetwood, and our mean, let's see, this isn't the mean, this is his actual data. Batting average was 338. The mean at that point was 261, and the standard deviation at that point was 0.0322. So you had to go out that far on each side of the mean to get, if you went one standard deviation, 68% roughly using the empirical model. So then we also then had in the 70s, this doesn't give us Sam Slugger. In the 70s, batting average was down to 261 with a standard deviation of 0.318. And they're wondering, wait a minute, there's something 0.318 is the standard deviation. The batting average was 261 in 70s. The batting average was still, so the batting average is the same at both. That was what's throwing me off there. All right. See if I got this right. Frankie Fleetwood had a 0.338, and then the batting average that time was 261, standard deviation 0.322, and then Sam Slugger, oh, see, that's where I skipped his information. Something didn't seem quite right. Sam Slugger had a 351. So then we're going to find the z-score, or find out how many standard deviations each of them are. They're above the mean. So you're going to take, for Frankie, take his 338, subtract away the mean, to find out how much he was above the mean, and then to divide it by what it is to have one standard deviation. And then here for Sam Slugger, his 351, take away the mean still of 261 and divide by the standard deviation 0.318. Grab a calculator and crunch those. And we'll see that 0.338 minus 0.261, enter to get that answer, and divided by 0.0322. That's 2.3913. And then let's do Sam Slugger's 0.351 minus 261, enter to get that, divided by the 0.0318, and that one is 2.83. So this is better because of the more standard deviations. Remember, these numbers, when you compare them like this, those are called the z-scores. We could also look that up in the table to see what those percentiles are.